As an initial step, all heads of procurement and accounts in government ministries, departments, agencies, and parastatals will undergo fresh vetting, including polygraph testing, to determine their integrity and suitability. Those who shall fail the vetting will stand suspended.
Tariki imwe mweri wa itandatu mwaka uyu nirio mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta arutire riathana riri, undu uria wacungiririo ni kuongereka gwa ciiko cia ungumania, gukirikana maabitha uguri na wendia undu umwe na atari a mathabu honge-ini cia thirikari makoretwo makirorera ciiko ici kihanika. Umuthi thirikari kugerera mwaria wayo Eric Kraithe ni yaniriire ati maabitha 400 ni marikitie guthurimwo weru na magetikirio gucokereria mawira-ini mao. Ndomereri kuuma wabici-ini ya mwaria wa thirikari yugite ati maabitha 400 ni marikitie guthurimwo na magetikirio gucokereria mawira-ini mao kuuma Uthurimi uyu wambiriria tariki 4 mweri wa itandatu. Ndomereri-ini iyo Kraithe ni athiite nambere kuga maabitha acio megucoka mawira-ini mao kuringana na wiguano uria mari naguo na aria mamandikite, agithie nambere kuga maabitha aria mari itena-ini ria mbere ria Uthurimi ucio makirie kurika niguo itena ria keri rioererwo. Ndereti igi guthurimwo kwa maabitha a thirikari-ini undu umwe na atongoria othe ni thundurite mawoni ngurani. Atongoria amwe ari ni hamwe na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto uria waugite ni ehariirie guthuthurio, guku angi makionekana kwaga kuiganira makiuga werekeirio amwe ya atongoria thirikari-ini.
I can see the media already have done some work on me. I did expect that they would do the next day it will be somebody else, but it looked like it stopped at me only. I thought the lifestyle audit was meant for everybody. But that be as it say, hopefully it will help us put to rest what goes on in the rumor mill and what goes on with half-truths.
No na kuri uguthurimi undu koretwo ari muhuthu tondu ni ucungiriirie mogaruruku nginyagia thirikari-ini.
If we fail to fight impunity, we will not achieve our dreams. And a time has come for us to fight impunity. A time has come for every Kenyan to realize, no matter how powerful you think you are, no matter how much you think you know people in high position, no matter how much money you have, that will not save you.
Ogukiri uguo, ndomereri-ini iyo thirikari ni yugite aria mekunyitikana na mahitia ni megutacokirio makinya kuringana na watho undu umwe na mitaratara iria iri kuo ya wandikani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.